What's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to look at about this news in Warrap. So someone burned down Seventh Adventist Church. So I want to share with you what they wrote here on this page called Juba TV. They say MP Salva Mathok arrests Seventh Adventist Church in Warrap State. What's up, guys? What is happening out there? They say Honorable Salva Mathok gang did a member of the reconstituted Transitional National Legislative Assembly representing Gogrial East burned down a church in Gogrial East, blaming the church of burning traditional old shrines. Oh my God. Is this old shrine acceptable in the country, guys? I think this involved with the magic or something like that. So, enabling immorality in the area. Honorable Salva Mathok said that the SDA church in Aker Abok is changing the traditional ways of living. Okay, what is the traditional way of living here? There is a church called Seventh Adventist. What they are doing here, I chased them last time, and now they are back destroying traditional terrain and terrain from our ancestors. That is our way of life. This morning I burned down one of these churches, say Salva Mathok. And Honorable Mathok blamed the church for promoting sexual activities in the area. What kind of sexual activity? During the day, the congregation will be praying, and at night, you will see girls in a mosquito net with a man. And they say it is a word of God, Mathok said. Honorable Salva Mathok is a government official who serves as Minister of Interior, acting governor of the Warrap State, and currently as an MP in RTNLA representing Gogrial East constituency. I think, guys, this is outrage. If you look at it, how can a person burn down a church like that? Okay, this is unacceptable, guys. It's not good. All right. So the church is simply bringing people together to have a peaceful of coexisting in the same place. But right here, what I'm seeing right here, I think this is not cool. This is not good. So what do you think about this? Is it good for this person to do this, for Salva Mathok to burn down a church? I think this is a bit bad. And if this is true, like what he did, burning the church for the fact that the SDA members burned down this traditional old shrine, which he complained. You know what the shrine is. This is concerned about the magic stuff, that people should use this traditional way of life, which is not good for our people. In fact, this is the dangerous things. So people should leave this traditional stuff behind. So what do you think about him taking this step forward to burn down the church? Is this good or bad? What do you think? Simply tell us what you think about that. So to me, I think it's bad, and it is worse, and it is not good. I think this person is trying to promote hate within the community. This is wrong. Thank you, guys, for watching. If you are new, please subscribe.